Welcome back guys to another video, and today we're at, well, I won't really call it a car graveyard, but
it's the van and car graveyard.
Yeah, van, trucks, buses. A really old bus this. And yeah, make sure you smash that like button, give it a share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and we'll take you around. Now this wind is horrible, and I do apologise if you can hear it in the video guys. An old Land Rover there, Range Rover, whatever it is. A lot of stuff in the overgrowth. Iveco truck. Not brought my wellies today, brought me shoes. And there's another truck there. No JCB. Oh, Jag there. Oh, look at that. It's mega, that. Half of these don't even know what they are, so if anyone does know what they are, please do let me know in the comments. I'm trying to dodge the water. No doubt I'll end up leaving with wet feet. I'm not even going to go through there. Got another Iveco truck there. Few bits in the overgrowth behind there as well. Try and fight us our way around there. Quite a few Iveco vans here. An old Ford. This is a Renault, I think. Could be wrong. Oh, look at this old army truck. That's mega, that. Look at all the stuff over there. Nearly past all this. Looks like to be a camper van there. An old Ford Mondeo, I do believe. A few bits over here. No doubt I'm going to get boggy feet going through there. There's loads of vans, minibuses and that all in here. A few more trucks will go up here and then we'll cut our way back through. This goes quite far back, this. Another Iveco van. Oh, no way. Quite a few Fords up here. I think they're all Fords, barring a couple. Another Ford Mondeo. Nice old Range Rover there. Some of these cars don't look too bad, to be fair. Some of them are quite modern. Got 58 plate. New Mondeo there. You got Citroen here. Got Summit in the overgrowth here. We'll have a look. Completely fallen to bits, whatever it is. I think it's an old Ford. couldn't tell you. Yeah, old Range Rover. Some bits there you can't really tell, but I'm just trying to see if there was anything else. You have to really fight your way through some of this, especially with these big boggy puddles that you don't spot. Step in one, you've lost your shoe. And a Corsa there, another Ford Transit, I do believe. Oh, I lost my shoe nearly. There we go, wet feet. Things we do. Another Land Rover there by the looks of it. Old Rover. I think that's a Jag. Old Mercedes. All the overgrowth has grown inside. Ford. Some of these cars have seen better. Oh, no way. No way. Oh, I just lost my foot. You have to fight fight your way through some of this. It's so boggy. An old ride on lawnmower there. See how far down here we can get. To be fair, I think I'd rather it be in summer to come here. And all to see it. Quite a few cars at this one. We're gonna go back round and check out the cars that we did miss, so stay tuned and give it a like. Right, let's go back round. A few cars. I do apologise as well, guys, for the wind. Obviously it really helped. So, yeah, quite a few bits at this place. Obviously it is on an active site. We were given permission. Hope everyone at home has enjoyed the video. An old Ford here. Obviously there's the old bus, the old Land Rover, a few trucks, vans. But yeah, hope everyone at home's enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a like, give it a share. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.